Alright, this is part 2. Friday, 1704, 54 seconds, the year 2025. Fucking angle, another fucking angle. 2025, fucking 5th month, May, 30th day. So, hopefully this shit's on there. The brother didn't put the sock in here. Fucking pink sock goes in there, and then the brother put the two circuit board pieces, the circuit board piece and the two metal connectors. Circuit board piece on that side is written, and then metal connector, metal connect two pieces on that side. Taped it off, just a regular sandwich bag. So the pieces are in there. There's the, come on, fucker. Jesus Christ, gotta get on the fucking camera here. Fucking particle board. It got stuck on some tape up in there, so there's a little piece of brown particle board. And the two little metal pieces. Let's see here. They're more or less on this side, down at the bottom. Can't fucking see what the fuck's going on. And there it is on the big screen up there. So it can kind of be seen there. So the brother's gonna tape it inside, put the sock in there, and so just gonna come over here and fuck. Get the screws off. This one's still a bit wet. Got spray painted. Put that one up there. So this comes out here. Put that there. Put the fucking sock in here. It goes in like this. Fuck, I got used the fucking right hand. Another fucked up angle. Fuck. There. Then get a piece of fucking packing tape that's nice and sticky. Used to tape this thing inside here. See here, circuit board piece. We'll put another little piece inside on the other side. There, and then put some more fucking twisty ties to get it all nice and raveled up. So this comes out about this far. So There it is in there. There's the pack taped up in there, and there's the pink thing. It goes in between the circuit board and the metal to hold the circuit board in place there. So, and this goes back in here. Put the fucking board back in. There's that. Lean it against the wall. Put the fucking wet screw back in. Brother over it. Oh fuck it. Brother already cleaned the fucking hands off. Now he's gotta scrub them again. Got all the fucking black paint off the fucking fingers. So there's that one. It's got a little fucking. Alright. Yeah, there it is. So that's that. Let it dry. Fucking now it's fucking finished. The first part's uploading. Got a little fucking more fucking paint on the fucking fingers. So put the tape there. Alright, that's it. Now it should be done. Finished. It is finished, said Gisette. Jesus is the sister with Jesus. Gisette. Finished.